Christmas has a way of making money feel louder. Everywhere you look, there's pressure. Gifts, travel, family expectations. And somehow your income stayed the same. If you've ever told yourself, "I'll figure it out later," this is that moment. But here's something most people don't realize. Christmas is one of the few times making money online gets easier. Not because it's simple, but because demand spikes in predictable ways. People don't want perfection right now. They want speed. They want relief. They want something solved before the clock runs out. That changes everything. Most advice online will tell you to start something big, build a brand, launch a channel, learn a new skill. That advice ignores timing. Christmas money is short-cycle money. You don't plant seeds, you harvest urgency. And once you understand that, the options become obvious. Think about how December feels. People are overwhelmed. They're scrolling with intent, not curiosity. They're searching for solutions, not inspiration. That's why the same ideas that feel slow in March suddenly work in December. Not because they're better, because the buyer mindset is different. Let me show you what that actually looks like. But first, let's clear something up. If you think you're late, you're not. Late would be January. Right now, urgency is increasing daily, which means even simple solutions gain value. Now here's the shift most people miss. You don't need a new business. You need to insert yourself into existing demand. Christmas creates demand in three main ways: time pressure, decision fatigue, emotional spending. Every method that works right now connects to at least one of those. Let's start with the quiet one: digital products. Not courses, not expert programs, simple, useful digital assets. People don't want to learn deeply in December. They want something that makes life easier. Think about planners, checklists, guides. But here's the part most people get wrong. Generic doesn't work, seasonal specificity does. A general budget template feels boring. A Christmas budget planner feels necessary. A generic meal plan gets ignored. A stress-free Christmas dinner plan feels like relief. People buy relief faster than knowledge. That's why this works. You don't need advanced tools. You don't need design skills. Clarity matters more than polish right now. You create something small. One problem, one outcome. Then you place it where people are already searching. Marketplaces reward seasonal intent. You're not convincing anyone. You're meeting them mid-decision. That's leverage. Now, some people hear this and think, "I'm not creative." That's not the barrier. The barrier is framing. You already know how to organize something. You already solve problems daily. You just haven't packaged it for December demand. Now let's talk about something even faster. Services. Not freelancing in the traditional sense. Short-term task-based help. December is when people outsource what they're tired of doing. Writing emails, organizing documents, editing content, planning schedules. People don't want ongoing help. They want it done this week. That's an advantage. You don't need a long pitch. You need clarity. What you do, who it's for, how fast it gets done. Speed is the selling point. During Christmas, speed beats experience. That's not a motivational quote. That's buyer behavior. Now here's a subtle shift. Don't sell hours. Sell outcomes. Clean inbox before Christmas. Updated resume before January hiring. Edited videos before holiday break. People buy results when time feels scarce. Now let's open a loop here, because this is where most people hesitate. They think, why would someone choose me? Here's the part most people miss. In December, buyers don't compare deeply. They pick the clearest option that feels safe enough. Clarity beats credentials. That's why messaging matters more than resumes. We'll come back to this. Now let's talk about affiliate income. This works best when done correctly. Not random links, not broad recommendations. Curation is the value. People hate choosing gifts. They fear getting it wrong. So they look for guidance. But they don't want endless lists. They want decisions made for them. That's where focused gift guides work. Last-minute gifts for people who hate shopping. Gifts that don't feel cheap under a budget. Digital gifts that arrive instantly. Notice what's happening? You're removing decision fatigue? That's the product. The affiliate link is just the delivery mechanism. Now here's the important part. Trust matters more than volume. You don't need hundreds of products. You need a few good ones with clear reasoning. People buy when they feel understood, not when they feel sold to. Now let's talk about something overlooked. Virtual assistants. But not generic VA work. Christmas-specific support. Order tracking. Return handling. Calendar cleanup. Inbox sorting. These are invisible stressors, but they pile up fast. And people will gladly pay to make them disappear. You're not selling time. You're selling mental space. That's incredibly valuable in December. And here's the benefit. These tasks don't require advanced skills. They require reliability. And reliability is rare when people are overwhelmed. Now let's close the loop from earlier. Why clarity beats credentials? Because stressed people don't want options. They want certainty. If you communicate clearly, you feel safer. That's the real trust signal. Now let's talk about pricing. This is where many people sabotage themselves. They underprice out of fear. But cheap feels risky during holidays. People associate price with reliability. That doesn't mean overcharging. It means pricing confidently. Fair pricing signals seriousness. And seriousness converts better than desperation. Now let's address the big fear. What if nobody buys? That fear keeps people stuck. But here's the truth. Not selling immediately isn't failure. It's feedback. You're testing where attention already is. That information saves you time. Christmas rewards action more than certainty. Waiting feels safe, but it costs opportunity. Now let's zoom out. Every idea we've talked about shares a pattern. Short setup, fast delivery, clear outcome. That's the formula. You don't need consistency yet. You don't need a long-term plan yet. This is about winning the season. One strong month can change your trajectory. Not because it makes you rich, but because it builds momentum. Momentum changes confidence. Confidence changes decisions. Now let's address something important. You don't need to make money online. You need to solve December problems. Once you see that, ideas multiply. People are not broke. They're overwhelmed. And overwhelmed people pay for relief. Now here's another overlooked angle. Small businesses. They're scrambling right now. Client gifts, holiday messages, end-of-year cleanups. You can help here. Simple things. Drafting messages, organizing contacts, preparing content. Businesses decide faster and pay better. And they don't need perfection. They need done. Now let's talk about platforms. Don't try everything. Pick one. A marketplace. A social platform. A job board. Depth beats spread. Especially when time is limited. You're not building a brand. You're capturing demand. That's different. Now here's a mindset shift worth keeping. You're not late. You're early for someone. Every day, new people realize they need help. They haven't found you yet. That's not discouraging. That's opportunity. Now let's bring everything together. Making money online for Christmas isn't about hacks. It's about timing. It's about clarity. It's about speed. You don't need to be special. You need to be useful. You don't need to know everything. You need to solve one problem well. Pick one idea. Frame it clearly. Put it where people already search. Then let urgency do the work. If this changed how you think about opportunity, that matters. Because once you see demand this way, it doesn't disappear in January. It evolves. And the next thing you'll want to understand is how people turn seasonal income into something consistent. That's where real financial freedom starts to take shape. Not overnight, but intentionally. And once you learn that, Christmas stops feeling stressful. It starts feeling strategic.